Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick General Management, and now go to Language and Input, so it's the first possibility. Then click on Language, and now by tapping on Add Language, you can come along with the whole list of languages. So as you can see, Samsung prepared all languages for you, so actually everyone will find something suitable, like all of us from all over the world. And then just pick the language that you would like to apply, and let me pick Croatian, then select the region, it will be Croatia, and then you can decide to set it as default. And that's it. As you can see, the phone language has been changed and now everything is in Croatian. So settings, also home screen, icons, just the whole device. And then if you would like to go back to English or change language again, just open the settings one more time. Now locate and open General Management, it's right here, and then go to Languages and Input. Pick language, and now you can either delete Croatian or smoothly add another language if you would like to change it, not to English but some other one. So that would be all. That's how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy S20. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.